Best deals. Today let's review some of the trending kitchen gadgets. These new gadgets can help speed up meal preparation, save time, and reduce effort, making cooking more productive. They often come with advanced technology that allows for precise cooking, easier cleanup, and the ability to experiment with more complex recipes. New kitchen gadgets offer a range of benefits, including increased efficiency, convenience, and healthier eating habits. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Soap Pump Dispenser. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this dispenser is built to withstand daily use. The pump mechanism allows for effortless refilling of your preferred liquid soap or detergent. Its sleek design complements various kitchen and bathroom decors, allowing you to place it wherever it's most accessible. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Seal Hose. The silicone ring serves as sealing plug and flow drains for toilets, washing machines and drain tanks, applied for preventing water seepage and so on, suitable for most drain pipe and sewer opening. It can bring convenience to your daily life, made of high-quality silicone material, abrasion resistant, durable to use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Silicone Hair Stopper. Made of flexible thermoplastic rubber, anti-slip, characterized by resilience and abrasive resistance. Use time is very long. Put the drain hair catcher in the corresponding sink. While removing, just grab the clump out of the catcher and keep going. Suitable for bathroom, laundry, bathtub, kitchen and so on. A convenient bathroom accessories can make your bathroom cleaner. Get rid of the trouble of hair falling into the sewer. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Sealing Bag Clips. Works as both a bag clip and a mini vacuum sealer to keep food airtight and fresh. Vacuum sealing technology helps remove excess air to preserve food longer. Easy to use, simply clip and seal in seconds with a press and slide mechanism, portable and lightweight, ideal for kitchen use, picnics, or travel. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopper. Whether you are slicing cucumbers into clean rounds, creating julienne carrots, or trimming herbs with flair, this 2-in-1 tool helps you add a decorative, professional touch to every meal. Impress guests or enjoy the artistry of everyday cooking with ease. Designed with comfort in mind for smooth, strain-free cutting, non-slip handle and a spring action mechanism that makes every cut feel effortless. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bag Clips. Such a joy with these easy-to-use bag clips in place of annoying twist ties or bread tags. Just twist, squeeze, place, release. You spin the bag and snap this on, and the bread clip ensures the bag is cinched airtight to keep food fresh. They are wonderful for sealing bread, chips, fruit, and other thin bags. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Peeler. Made serrated double-edged peeler ensures effortlessly smooth peeling of fruits and vegetables, without tearing or damaging the food. Made with surgical-grade ultra-sharp, rust-free stainless steel, it's highly durable and long-lasting, suitable for both professional and household use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Kitchen Mat. Made of high-quality EVA material, which is BPA-free and safe to contact with food directly. The fridge liner is a must-have refrigerator accessories for any RV, home or kitchen. You can use it without worrying about any harm. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Gloves. The dense brush side creates more bubbles while increase friction force. Clean everything by this dishwashing gloves with ease. With soft brush on other side, no worries about scratching anything you wash. Speedy natural drying, no deformation. Dishwashing gloves is dishwasher safe too. It is universal fit for different sizes of hands. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Funnel. Expand to use, collapse to store. Occupy less kitchen space after folding, easy to store. With it, your kitchen will be tidier. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free. No need to worry that the funnel may damage the health of your families. The funnel's durable silicone construction means they can be used at -40 to 250 degrees Celsius, chemically stable. The thickening technology makes the funnel more endurable. Easy to clean and dry, top rack dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Jam spreader. Made of high quality food grade stainless steel, has advantages of full sheet, seamless, very strong, rust resistant, sharp. Heat treated, color resistant. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Roller. Suitable for spaghetti, pastries, bread, biscuits, eggs, mini pizzas. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Sealing machine. Can reseal various bags to keep food fresh and crispy, such as chips, snacks, sandwiches, candy, pet food vacuum bags, etc. Also works for mylar bags and plastic bags, but is not suitable for a wrap, cellophane bags, craft paper bags, pure aluminum bags or thin food storage bags. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Vegetable bag. The open weave mesh allows air circulation, keeping fruits and vegetables spacious enough to carry groceries, produce, and household essentials with ease. Strong stitching ensures long-lasting use while remaining easy to carry. Ideal for grocery shopping, storage, organizing travel essentials, and more. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Filter net. Can be used in various ways as water filters, hung curd maker and a strainer for kitchen for sprouting seeds, easily washes with water under the tap after easy squeeze. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Egg separator. Can quickly open eggs and separate egg whites. Simple and effortless, it helps you cook more efficiently and is a must-have tool for home bakers and commercial kitchens, ideal for use at home or in restaurants. Stainless steel egg beater, thickened ABS material, durable and not easy to rust, frosted texture, durable. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Knife. Made of high-quality carbon steel, which is durable and rust, corrosion resistant. It can be used for your daily kitchen tasks of chopping, slicing, dicing and mincing of all kinds of meat, vegetables, fruits and bread. It is the top choice of both home chefs and professionals alike. Non-slip handle for a secure and comfortable grip no matter the hand size, features an ultra-sharp cutting edge, for easy slicing and perfect precision. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Sealing machine. Adopts fully automatic one-button portable sealing machine for home, LED indicator light, hands-free design. This vacuum sealer has constant temperature to seal dry and wet food. Dry food or for wet food. This cover sealing machine is suitable for steak, meat, seafood, shrimp, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, bread. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cookie cutter. Made of food-grade stainless steel material and PP material, rust resistance and durable to use, no deformation. Neat and smooth edge can create a perfect shape edge. It can be used for vegetables, sugar cake, DIY biscuits, chocolate, mini pie, cookie fruit into multiple shapes with these fruit cutter shapes for kids, make meal time fun. Product link is given in the 19th link.